Triple Crown Jewelry Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're in the market for elegant and unique jewelry, Triple Crown jewelry is often recommended, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's cheap luxury. The surprising truth is that pricing reflects craftsmanship, materials, and brand exclusivity. Prices for rings, necklaces, and bracelets typically start around and can exceed for high-quality materials or custom pieces. Sterling silver and gold-plated items are on the lower end, while solid gold or gemstone pieces command higher prices. What you get: handcrafted designs, premium materials, customization options, and elegant presentation. What you give up: higher costs compared to mass-market jewelry, and some designs may take time for shipping if customized. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Review. Product descriptions for material and size details. Step 2. Check reviews and photos from other customers. Step 3. Consider purchasing during sales or promotional periods. Step 4. For custom pieces, confirm all design details before ordering. You won't believe what happens next if you assume all jewelry pieces are identical. The craftsmanship and materials make a big difference in longevity and appearance. The surprising truth is that Triple Crown jewelry offers a blend of beauty and durability worth the investment. In conclusion, Triple Crown jewelry combines quality, design, and customer service in its pricing. By understanding what you're paying for and choosing wisely, you can enjoy timeless pieces that offer true value for your money.